to show you all how I clean my OGGI drink dispenser. This is a 3-drink dispenser here. And how to clean it is, these individual dispensers has a little lever back here, and you pull it towards you, and this piece right here comes off. Push it, and it comes off. Here, this is the part that goes up in your beverage or your shot. This is a shot. The shot comes out. But this is what I want to get into. And twist this off right here. Okay, it comes off. That's the top. This black piece right here, it comes down, and there's a gasket on the inside. You want to wash that and make sure that the gasket is clean. Then on the inside of here, you can lift it up so the liquid can come out, and you wash that. That'll clean out the valve on the inside, and then clean on the inside of this. So I'm going to get the rest of these off, wash them, and come back and reassemble it for you. And then we're going to talk about this piece right here. Okay, I've washed these right here, and I got pieces back together on these two, and I'll show you how I like to get the nozzle part back on here, because you do want to make sure that it's aligned. So when you put it back on here, the part that you push to make the beverage come out needs to be on here. So what you do is just try to get it on here first, kind of tight, and then I want to make sure that this piece is facing the same as that piece. So we go right here, and then we're just going to tighten it up just a little at the bottom, because I want to make sure that it's tight when I twist it. Get it just a little tighter. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Just a little tighter. Okay, now, okay. See how that alignment is? I want to make sure that it's aligned right here. Okay, and on this part right here, this is where your springs are. And when you put this piece back onto here, this is where you would put your beverage bottle, and it would sit on top of this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean this rod that goes down here. Then I'm going to clean the little section here. These go on. Then I'm going to put this back on and show you how the bottle and bottles that I like to use when I use it. Okay, I have this back on, and I have this cleaned here. So to put these back on the tower, you just slide it on, and it's going to snap. Hear the snap? And snap. And snap. So these are on now. And remember, this is a shot dispenser, not a wine glass filler. And I'm going to show you why. This is how you put the bottle on first. See, these bottles are different sizes. Yeah. And to put the bottle on, put it in, and just make sure that you get it all the way up to that last sealer right here. It's on the last sealer. Okay, and we're gonna do this one here. Okay, on a whiskey bottle, it's easy to go in because the neck is smaller. It's wider here, so it's easy to go in, and it's tight here. That's your indication that this bottle does not belong on here. So if you try to just fit it on, it's just not going to fit, okay? Because the neck is too small. And then if you do try to just get it on and it don't fit, it's not going to fit on the towel. Okay? This right here is bold. And it's just not going to work because there's tension right here. You don't want that. This bottle is not designed to fit on here. So we're going to just take this one off. And watch how easy this comes off. It just don't fit, okay? This one on the other hand, just to show you all something, how it works. Just pretend that this is some liquor. And to make sure nobody get a hold to that, I'm gonna put some down from here. We're gonna have some blue Jim Beam bourbon, blue bourbon. It's just for demonstration. Okay. Then on here, snap is on that last gasket. And turn it upside down. You see it fill up. Snap it on. The bottle is on there. Now, do you see that tension? There's no tension there because that bottle is designed to go on here. This bottle isn't. So use your small bottles. If you can find them, just use a small bottle. Make sure that it's some kind of whiskey or whatever you're going to use. And this is where the shot pot comes. I'm going to have to show you all this. Okay, you're at your party and you have your drink, your Coke, whatever you're going to drink. And now you need a shot of bourbon in your drink. This is how this works. Put your cup under there. And you have your bourbon. Okay? Most of the time it's a shot until it fills out. But that's your drink. And that's how you use one of these shot towels. Now, this is not supposed to fill up like that, but hey, if you're a heavy drinker, this is perfect for you. You will be lit for the night. Thanks for watching this video. Come back and check out some more of these videos that I'm going to be posting. There's some parties coming up, and you're going to enjoy this year. Thank you.